A major UK broker did some research on the mental health aspects of financial ignorance or financial literacy. And this is what they found. 94% of people that they surveyed, employees they surveyed in the United Kingdom, stated that their finances caused them some degree of stress. 94%. 65% believe that they are not saving enough for their long-term plans. 1 in 5 employees report that they are just about managing financially. 41% are concerned that the money they have now or will have will not last. No wonder the people are getting sleepless nights. 31% often feel their finances control their life, and 36% have financial worries which impact their sleep. Financial literacy is therefore directly impacting mental health. Now, there's something which many people don't often think of. So it's not just about social mobility and mobility between genders. So people catching up, if you're a woman, to the kinds of income and savings and returns men get, or social mobility across races. So if you're black or Asian, whether in the UK or in the US, catching up to your white counterparts in terms of the income and the returns you could generate, the capital base that you have. It's not just about that, it's about mental health as well. So consider that. And then you look at this. And what this tells us is, according to the same brokerage, employees who are suffering from financial stress are almost 15 times more likely to have sleepless nights, take 1 sick day per year due to financial stress, are almost 13 times more likely to be unable to complete daily tasks, are more likely to have troubled relationships with colleagues and be looking for a new job. So it's impacting your employer. It's obviously impacting society. It's impacting productivity, and it's impacting the country in terms of the tax take it is getting, let alone impacting the mental health of the individual concerned. So financial literacy is not just about social mobility for the reasons I said. It's about all these other things as well. This only just reinforced even more so my campaign for a million. My campaignforamillion.com is the website, which is to teach 1 million people how to be better investors, how to be more in charge and in control of understanding investing in very simple terms. You can't quite see them. There's about 18 books that have been written and published by the Financial Times, amongst other publishers, that I've written. So it's been a lifelong campaign. And if you have a look at campaignforamillion.com, you'll find a whole load of free resources that I've put on there for you.